I'm sure it smells beautiful. Oh, it certainly does. Oh, that daisy was a doozy.
Here's a tissue for your nose, Barney.
Okay. Oh, that feels much better. Thank you, Whitney.
You're welcome.
Oh, very nice.
Hey, guys, look at this. Cammy's basket and the tissue box look kind of the same. Yeah.
Oh, you're right, Mario. They do look a lot like each other.
That's because I made my basket out of a tissue box just like this one.
Oh.
I glued on strips of green and yellow paper, then a handle to carry it with. See?
Oh,
wow.
I think you used a lot of imagination.
Yeah. Well, mostly I did it because it was fun.
Well, building things out of boxes does sound like fun.
Yeah. That's our caboose bell.
Oh.
Let's check it out. Yeah.
I can't wait to see. Oh, boy. I wonder what it could be.
That's funny. There's nobody here. But something else is here. Look.
Oh, boy. Oh, so many boxes.
This one has writing on it. It says, to Barney from the Enjoy Your Toys Company.
Oh, boy.
But this one's empty. So's this one. There's not any toys in this one. I think it's just a bunch of boxes.
Well, all Cammy had was a tissue box, and she made it into a very nice toy.
That's right. We could make lots of fun things out of these boxes. They could be any toys we want. Come on, let's get started.
Oh, this is gonna be stupendous. Oh, boy. Oh, let's see what everyone's been doing. Oh, it looks like you've been busy, Scott. What did you make?
I made a box turtle out of a shoebox like this one.
Wow.
Would you like to say hello to him?
Oh, I certainly would.
There was a little turtle, he lived in a box, he swam in a puddle, he climbed on a rock. He snapped at a mosquito, he snapped at a flea, he snapped at a man when he snapped at me.
Oh, boy.
He caught the mosquito, he caught the flea, he caught the man, but he didn't catch me.
There was a little turtle, he lived in a box, he swam in a puddle, he climbed on a rock. He snapped at a mosquito, he snapped at a flea, he snapped at a minnow, and he snapped at me. Oh, watch out. He caught the mosquito, he caught the flea, he caught the minnow, but he didn't catch me.
Bye-bye, everybody. See you later. Bye.
Bye-bye, Mr. Turtle. Oh, and what have you been working on, Cammy?
It's a grandfather clock, like the one at my house.
Oh, and it even has all the numbers. Oh, look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Oh, boy.
Uh-oh, I think he woke up the little mouse who lives in the clock.
Uh-oh. Oh, boy. Hickory, dickory, dock. The mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck 1. The mouse ran down. Hickory, dickory, dock. Oh, what a cute little mouse.
Hickory, dickory, dock. The mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck 1. The mouse ran down.
Hickory, dickory, hickory, dickory, hickory, dickory, dock. Oh, all right, little mousey. I'll let you get back to your nap now. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Barney.
Oh, was cute.
Ahoy, Barney. How do you like our ship?
Oh, I think it's great. Oh, and look at the puffy clouds. Oh, and the ocean waves. Oh.
We all worked together to make those. And now it's time to set sail. Whitney, would you like to come with me? Sure.
Then yo-ho-ho, you're ready to go. I'd love to sail on a sailing ship and sail away to sea. Sail
between now when we go out to sea.
I'd love to sail on a sailing ship and sail away to sea. Sailing, sailing, the sailing life for me. Sailing, sailing, the sailing life for me.
We'll watch the whales and dolphins play,
Oh, they're so cute.
splashing in the salty spray as we float on our beautiful boat when we go out to sea.
Oh, hi, Mario. I'd love to sail on a sailing ship and sail away to sea. Sailing, sailing, the sailing life for me. Sailing, sailing, the sailing life for me. Sailing, sailing, oh my. There you go.
We've got so many boxes, I don't know what we can do with them all.
Oh, there are lots of ways to use boxes. That's why there are so many different kinds in almost every home. There are big boxes, thank you, Scott, and small boxes, cereal boxes, oh, yummy, and shoe boxes, oh, juice boxes, toy boxes, oh, I love toys. Oh.
I would like to have a box so big that there would be a real car inside, one that I could really drive.
Oh, I think you're just a little young to drive a real car.
But we do have some really big boxes outside, and we've got our imagination. Are you guys thinking what I'm thinking? Then come on, let's do it.
Okay. Hey, wait for me. I'll be right there. Oh, boy.
How do you like my car? Very nice. So is everybody ready for a drive? Yeah.
Oh, boy. Oh, what great cars. But before you can drive anywhere, there's something very important you have to do.
I know. We have to buckle our seatbelts.
Oh, that's right, Scott. If you're riding in a car, you always need to buckle your seatbelt so you'll be safe. Driving to my school, I buckle my belt. Driving to my school, I buckle my belt. Driving to my school, I buckle my belt. Buckle up my seatbelt. Driving to the store, I buckle my belt. Driving to the store, I buckle my belt. Driving to the store, I buckle my belt. Buckle up my seatbelt. Okay, stop everyone. Okay, there you go, Mario. Your turn now. All right, Scott. Oh, boy. Driving to my house, I buckle my belt. Driving to my house, I buckle my belt. Driving to my house, I buckle my belt. Buckle up my seatbelt. Oh, boy. Driving everywhere, I buckle my belt. Driving everywhere, I buckle my belt. Driving everywhere, I buckle my belt. Buckle up my seatbelt. Oh, all right. Oh, nice driving, everyone. Very nice indeed. You know, a seatbelt keeps you safe by holding you tight. Kind of like a nice hug. Can you show me what kind of snuggly hugs you like?
Barney, you've got to see this.
Oh, okay. Oh, boy.
Look!
Oh, a castle. Oh, boy.
That's not all.
Oh, a princess. Oh, glad to meet you, Your Highness.
And I'm glad to meet you.
Oh,
Barney, will you please make up a castle story for us?
a castle story? Oh, I'd love to. Oh, okay, everybody, go find your places. Oh, this is going to be great. Oh, boy. Once upon a time, they say, there was a princess fair who was kept in a castle night and day and had to stay up there. The castle, it was up too high for any horse or wagon. Oh, and worse, The door was guarded by a very scary dragon.
A dragon? Really? I don't see any dragon.
But I think I hear the dragon coming out of the woods. Just listen.
Hi, guys. I mean, roar.
Okay, DJ. Oh, very nice. The dragon would not step aside for man, nor beast, nor birds. The only way to get inside was to say the magic words.
Right. Sparty,
Yeah.
what are the magic words?
Oh, please and thank you.
Oh, right. I knew that.
Okay.
Really, I did.
Oh.
Roar! Roar!
Help! Help! Fear not, princess. I will save you.
Oh, yeah? What are the magic words?
Ha ha! Please.
Excuse me, please, and...
Oh yeah. Thank you. Sorry.
No problem. See ya. Roar! Roar!
DJ. Oh, brave Sir Scott saved the day. The town was filled with laughter. And our story ends in the nicest way. Happily ever after. Oh. Fairy tale castles with beautiful flags flying higher than you've ever seen. Just imagine all of the things you could see, maybe even a king or a queen. Castle so high, up to the sky, I know that I would love to go there. Castle so high, up to the sky, wouldn't you love to go too? Oh, it sounds like fun. Magical places and musical things, big surprises and so much more.
We could ride a horse, having fun, of course. An adventure like never before.
Oh, don't worry. Castle so high, up to the sky, I know that I would love to go there. Castle so high, up to the sky, wouldn't you love to go too? Wouldn't you love to go too?
This castle is so cool. Where'd you get it?
We made it out of cardboard boxes, and we've still got lots more.
Oh, we do. Would you like to try making something, BJ?
Oh, would I? Oh, man, this is going to be so great. I have an idea that's so big that we'll...
Yeah.
Just wait until you see it.
Oh, I can't wait.
It's going to be so cool. One big box.
I can't see it. Now I can't see it.
Now, are you guys about ready?
Just about. Nope, I can't see. I can't see.
I think you can both see if you really try.
Okay.
Ladies and gentlemen, presenting BJ's one and only Packing Box Pachyderm.
Oh,
What's a pachyderm?
oh, that's just another word for elephant.
Elephant?
Right this way, here she comes.
Wow.
Elephant, 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 elephant.
She's big and friendly,
Elephant,
wrinkled and gray,
elephant,
and with the great big feet that are get out of the way of the elephant.
elephant,
The ground it shakes.
the elephant hears with their floppy king-sized elephant ears. Got a trunk for a nose as long as a hose.
Check it out.
The elephant,
Elephant.
the elephant,
Elephant. The ground it shakes.
elephant,
Every time she walks.
elephant.
And she sounds like a trumpet whenever she talks. The elephant.
Elephant. Every sound in the jungle the elephant hears with their floppy king-sized elephant ears. Got a trunk for a nose as long as a hose.
Wow.
The elephant,
Elephant.
the elephant.
Elephant. That was awesome. You guys were elephant-tastic.
Thanks, BJ. You had a really good idea for how to use those boxes.
Oh, you certainly did. In fact, you all used a lot of imagination to make fun things out of boxes.